Hello guys, today I'm hyped to share with you how to create different types of the sample line when you design the roads. Here having the road corridor, you can see it's a very it's not long roads. Actually it is 0.9 approximately 0.97 3 roads, which including bus bays. As you see, this is a bus bay. Kwa Kiswahili wanasema ni sehemu ya mabasi kushushia na kupandishia mabasi, vituo vya mabasi. So how to start? I start as normally sample line. I select my road alignment. So the color I put it here. After get here, I will name my sample line. I just want to name like Chamwino. No. CH. Sample line. Description here, you can describe wherever you want, depend with the project. In this side, I left a default. Then here it's my surface, that surface, I leave that surface. This is dead corridors, I leave that. The rest here, I'm going to remove it. But I advise it's better here. You can add another corridor, which is a top corridor. But for now, I have two corridors, but it's good you can have top corridors when you create a sample line. Then after that, I say okay. After saying okay, I will come here. In these sections, you will find there is a different options of creation of the sample line. For example, by range of station, at the station, from the corridor station, pick point on the screen, selecting existing power line. You're going to see all of them. To start with, we start with the by range of the stations. Click here the range of station. There is a lot of the values to fill here, from the starting to the alignment ends. Here you can say false or true. If you want to select where to start, you provide false, and see to give you the options to add the chainage which you want to start for. But for me, I want to start from the zero chainage, so I really say true. And the end of the sessions, I say the truths. Then the rest options you can pass it is describes as you see it here. This one is very important. Sections where which show you at the range of start and at the range of the end. It's better to fill these sections. So for this step, I said okay. You can see now the sample line. It is already created, but unfortunately it is very short compared to the width of the corridors. So here I can make them to be wider in order to get more details in my sections. So I come again to my sample line, select sample line. I'm going to find the name of the sample line. It's the main CH sample line. There we come to this part, edit switch widths. It was 8. I'm going to put 12. And here 12. Okay. Escape. Regenerate all. You can find now my sample line, it is white. So that's all the first options. I'm going again to the second options, the same sample line, the same name. So if you keep the same name, it means that this sample line will share the same properties. So make sure this it is staying the same name of the sample, right? So by stations, I think we are also familiar with this. You can take this one and select it where you put it, maybe here, or you can type at 0.5. You can type maybe 50 meters, provide inters. Here up to here, you can get your sample line, but you can adjust it as you want because it is not in a good position. So I can squeeze it up to here, and here I can straight it again, stretch it to here. So you can move this one as much as you want. Maybe I can provide here. I can even use this cycle to stretch in the shape I want, like this one. You can also return it to the same. I use mark orthogonal, it will return it to the original. That's another stage. Let's go to check another stage also. I'm coming to the sample line again. Check it for my alignment. Now I'm going to check for the peak point on the screen. I click here. You can do any. You can select any places you want to provide that sample line. For my side, I select here. Right click, enter. Right click, enter. If you escape, you'll find the sample line. It's here. Another one, you can use a pole line. As you see, I select the pole line. Then maybe find the places for the bus bay here. I can do like this one. I can make the angle. Enter, that's the pole line. Another pole line, I can do like this one. I can take another pole line, do like this one. You can make any shape you want. Enter, I'm coming from the sample line again. The same name. Okay, select it from select existing pole line. Click here. Click here, provide enter to get the sample line. Repeat again. Position. Enter. Select the pole line. So if you select this one, you can stretch as much as you can, like the way you see it. You can adjust it more the way you want. Shape it again the way you want. But finally, I can move it to another locations. Here I'll remain with the pole line. Select pole line and delete it. And also this one, I can shift it to return to its original position. Then you come again another one. You can select it and move it to the places for any place you want. Like this one. Okay, I can take this, I can select the remain column and